All right. Battery's a little low, but I think she still fires up. We're on the charger here in a minute. All right, 22,000 miles. It does have, I don't know if that's mentioned, it does have a quick disconnect tour pack. And it's got all the manuals and all that stuff in it too, in there in the toolkit and all those goodies. I did see these little touch-ups right here on the, I'm not turning the radio down so I can get one. Didn't see any scratches on the bottom of the fenders or anything noticeable like that. It does lean over a little further with the bigger front wheel, but it's not crazy or anything. Well, it looks really good. Real nice. I need to check, see the key fob and keys, all that fun stuff. Yeah, solid bike.